Did you see the latest sentiment score for human rights? It's at -0.60, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This reflects a significant shift in public sentiment, especially considering the momentum is at +0.81. What's driving this? You'll find 20 distinct semantic clusters emerging, giving us insights into the specific topics fueling this negative sentiment. With our Sentiment API, you can access real-time data like this to inform your applications. Imagine building a tool that alerts organizations when human rights sentiment drops sharply, enabling them to react quickly, mobilize resources, or strategize advocacy efforts. Dive deeper into this data and enhance your projects at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something meaningful together.